Today, I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart envelope from a regular sheet of paper. Oops, regular sheet, like this. So we're going to take it and we're going to fold it in half. Just like that. I'm going to unfold it. Now, I'm going to take these and fold them over to the center. These edges that we just folded, we'll fold that into the center too. Okay. The more even your folds are, the better your end product's going to turn out to be. So we're going to unfold that. And we're going to take these corners and we're going to fold them up to that crease we just made. Both corners. Just like that. Now we're going to take we're going to fold the right and left sides over to the center now. Whoops. I just messed up my original crease. There. Just like you originally folded it. I really messed up my crease, eh? There. Kind of like that. Okay. So now we got it like that. Okay. Now we're going to focus on the bottom of part of the paper. So we want to crease it. How does this go? So you want to get the bottom point, and you want to get it just to that point. And you want to use this edge to go across here evenly, but lining it up. Yeah, so just fold it up to the center like that. Oops. To the center like that. Nice and even. Do the same with the other side. Nice and even. Oops. There, just like that. Then you're going to want to like open it and open it. So we're going to unfold. You know what? I think... Oh, that's right. We need a fold here. So you're going to want to fold this along there, backwards. Well, don't rip it. And then you're going to want to unfold it. So now when you unfold it, we got a triangle shape here. Okay? When you do this, you're going to want to unfold it and open up that bottom section, and you're going to want to fold it upwards like this. Do the same with the other side. Yep, do the same with the other side. So you open it up, you fold it upwards, just like that. Here's the starting of your heart. Now, we're going to want to make a crease that goes here and here. So, to do that, I think just line that point up with the point over here and try to line this up to make that crease. You want a crease right here. And then you want to do the same on the other side. Okay, so line it all up, crease. Now when you're creasing, only crease from here up. You don't want the bottom here creased. You don't want to make it, it's fine if you do, but it'll work out better if you don't. So now when you got those creases, fold the paper on the dot, on the line that we just made. And then we're going to want to, at the top of these 2 points, we got to make a crease that goes right across. So I'm going to take it and flip it over. I'm going to fold it upwards, keep the center here lined up, and you're going to want to go right down to the edge of these here, and you want to make a line right across, nice and evenly. There. Now, unfold it, flip it over, back over. Now, fold it the other way. You're going to want to take it, unfold it only halfway. So now it's showing up like this. So when you unfold it, you only got it unfolded halfway to show up like that. So now you're looking at it this way, so you fold it down like this to reveal your heart. Now you're seeing it like this. So now rotate it right around so you're seeing it like this. So I'm going to put it down on my table. Now you're going to want to take the bottom here that's folded up, and you're going to want to take these creases that you made before, and you're going to want to fold this up and out. So you're going to want to open the back of it, fold it, out, like that. Do the same with the other side. Fold it outwards, almost like you're making a box. Now, rotate it back around so the heart is facing you again. So like that. So we're going to push the heart back into the paper. So we're going to push it back like that. Now we're going to make diagonal creases here. So diagonal, diagonal. So we got 2 diagonal creases now. Now we're going to take that, and along here we're going to fold it inwards to that line on both sides. And I want to repeat that on both sides. There. Then we're going to take both sides. We're going to tuck this. Take both sides here, and we're going to fold it. Fold it right inwards, just like that. Do the same to the other side. So lift up the heart, fold this in. There we go. So now it's all hidden behind on both sides. Now the next step, we're going to take the top right and left corners and we're going to fold them into the center. So we're almost done. So we're going to take this last one and we're going to tuck it right under the heart, right into it. So you see how there's like, but you can tuck it right into here. Sorry, didn't realize I was a little off the camera there. Tuck it right into here. So we're going to take it, tuck it in behind. Oops. Sorry, wrong spot. You're going to tuck it into here. So you're going to take it, fold it back, and tuck it right in there. There, see? Could have made that a little straighter. Yeah, whatever. And there is your heart envelope. Just like that. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.